Good morning! We are in the Valley of Fire. So the last 2 days in Utah were rainy, really ugly actually. And now we are in Nevada and look, we have a sunny weather again. It's pretty much warm. So we are going to the state park of Valley of Fire. We'll drive through, we'll make some drones, and we are experiencing the bending shock on the left side. We are all good still, but we won't hit any off-road because I think any type of heavier terrain will make this journey finish. So we have to be very careful. Look at the beautiful views. If I would actually live in the United States, I think Nevada would be one of the places. It's very cool because these mountains, they are so red. They look like they would be on fire actually. And then on the other side you have green mountains. So the contrast is very big in here. So first of all, beautiful landscape as usual, but most importantly, I can wear a t-shirt again. It's so warm in here. It's like plus 20 Celsius. So I am super happy about that because I had like a little bit enough of the cold days in Utah, and I'm really happy that we came back to the warm days and probably warm nights. And I'm going here to take a look at that. Look how many colors these rocks have. Well, that's quite of a steep here, so I have to focus. See the layers? Yeah. So as usual, look at these formations. So unique colors. Like again, we didn't see such colors at the whole trip. So every 60 miles there is a dramatical change of the landscape, and every single time it looks just amazing and stunning. So I'm trying to walk this ridge. Oh my god, look at it, look at the colors. This is so insane. I love it. Woo. And I think I have to go back to the trail.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? stay to hold. I need you on my fire.
Andrzej, pokaż parkour.
Parkour to ty przed chwilą robiłeś.
Park knur.
No.
O, weźmy ten świstek. Ja wezmę do kieszeni. Jakiś kurde dziad.
Chcesz następne?
Nie,
Tak.
nie, bo to już nie.
Nie, to sobie weź.
Nie, tego nie chcę.
To już nie, bo to już robię.
Always cleaning after psychological amoebas. Yep. No. Jak sarenka po tych skałach skacze.
No za ręka, pokazać ci kurwa film. Za ręka.
What's up, man? Na co jest pora, Andrzej?
Na krótkie spodenki.
W grudniu. A, jest listopad jeszcze.
Wypraszam.
You will be the last one I think about. The last one I think about.
Good morning. Good morning in a very beautiful place in Nevada, which is frankly about half an hour from Vegas. Yeah, we've been in Vegas yesterday. We went to visit Patriot campers, but we didn't hassle them with cameras and we didn't want to kind of look like this excited YouTubers who will do all of that crazy stuff. So we had about 1 hour there of cool talks, of a lot of nice talks and a lot of sharing experiences and stuff like that. So we've learned a lot of things, why they moved to Vegas and not somewhere else. And then we left to Walmart and then we started to search the camp. So we are in the camp spot. I don't remember the name of it. You will see it probably on a little map. But it's really cool. It's nearly 6 o'clock in the morning. I slept super well because it's not much warmer, although I'm wearing the jacket and the hat because it's just before the sunrise and it's a little bit windy. But that was one of the nicest nights. Yesterday we had 20 degrees Celsius plus, and in the night I think we had about 6 to 8, so that's really nice as well. We set our diesel heater for the lowest possible setting, and we had a really nice comfy night. Also, we cooked yesterday. I cooked some of one of my favorite spaghettis. Well, that was with penne that time, but with that guanciale and San Marzano tomatoes. Very good thing. One day I will show you how to make it. That's something that children love. I love. Everybody loves that one. So you see behind me beautiful mountains, Lake Mead. It's there. So it's really nice. So it's time for a nice coffee and some drone shots. No. Tu to można śmiało na spadochronie skakać. Base jumping robić z tego mostu. A tu cię mam.
Ja sobie do góry wyjdę.
Ty powinieneś iść.
Do góry sobie wyjdę.
Do góry sobie wyjdziesz?
Tak.
Aha.
No.
Aha.
Wiesz, jak się używa ruchowych schodów?
Jak?
Schodzi się po nich, one są stworzone po to, żeby się szybciej poruszać.
Wiem o tym, bo nawet już żeśmy to rozkminili.
Tutaj są wszystkie
Co?
miejscowości.
Tu jest miejscowość Stany.
No Stany, o to mi chodziło.
Stany, dzięki wodzie, której Stany te istnieją i mają wodę. Jak powiedział, tak zrobił. Ja bym był szybszy, gdyby mi się chciało ruszać nogami.
No to ruszaj.
Nie,
Ruszaj.
nie.
Dawaj.
Motywuję cię do tego, żebyś ty biegł.
Ja to mogę biegać.
Tak. No biegnij, biegnij, biegnij. Pokaż hard ducha na schodach. A, bonjour parkour.
No i co tak tylko?
A gdzie mi się spieszy?
Ile na was będę czekał?
Na wakacjach jestem.
Cieszyło ci się.
Nie, kiedy?
Przez cały miesiąc ci się spieszyło.
Ale teraz już jest końcówka, już się nie spieszy.
Ale jeszcze można dużo innych rzeczy zobaczyć.
Aha, teraz może...
Do Meksyku pojechać.
Nie, teraz już oglądamy relaks. Idziemy z powrotem. Widzę, że już jest wysoko. So we are in Nelson Ghost Town, and I thought at the beginning it would not be anything special here, but I mean it's freaking crazy. It's like, I mean, you have to come here. You have to come here and take a look at that place because it is absolutely out of hooks. It looks like Mad Max world, to be honest. Like if there will be an end of the world and some people would survive, I think it would look exactly this way. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find some places to make some cool shots. We're gonna have something to eat, and then yeah, they let us tour it. I mean, it's like, I think the picture will like tell you everything about this place. I won't be talking too much anymore. Just record everything that I can. So we got a permission to come in here with the chaos and do some photos as we want. So whenever you come here, the owners like when people come and ask before, that you just don't come in randomly and do whatever you want. They are super nice. Today is Thanksgiving, so it's closed, but they allow people to come in without a hassle, without a problem. It's just they like when people ask before rather than do things themselves. So that's very, very important to keep this place open. And if you guys, the owners, watch this, thank you again. I mean, it's one of our best places, one of the best places we've seen, one of our favorite. Thank you for allowing us to be here today, and wish you all the best, because I mean, you have to be a wizard to create something like that, and I love it. I love it. So, can you imagine a better place for a breakfast, lunch than here? No, można wejść. Spalić sprzęgło.
Dobra, uważaj, żeby był ogień.
Tak. O. Alright, so we are at Roy's Motel, which I think is not operating anymore. I don't know, we will find out. And this is frankly the end of recording of the journey. We are still some miles away from Rancho. We are 180 miles plus minus to Rancho, and now we will just use the time for ourselves. This is the last 2 days where we will just not we will not record that much anymore. We will not focus on that. we will focus on the last days of the travel. We'll have a party today. We'll have something good to drink. We'll find a place to camp somewhere around here, and maybe I'll make just the summary of the whole journey of 2.5 months in America and 1 month of traveling with the Subaru only. And I do that from Rancho. But here we are in the middle of desert, Route 66, famous Royce Motel and Cafe. And this is the place where actually the idea started, because in February a guy from our forum, from Subaru forum from Facebook, called us, and he said that he's from America and he would like to visit us in Poland at our shop, because he will be somewhere in Poland and he would like to pick up his stuff that he wants to put on his Subaru. So then I said, obviously, okay, come over. So we had a chat. We had a long chat when he came in. I was just after my health incident that, you know, I was in hospital and everything, and he said it would be so cool that I bring the Subaru to USA one day, and that, you know, would be just fantastic. And the first photo of his travels that he showed me was exactly here. His Subaru was here, and standing somewhere here, like wherever I am standing, and it was just the coolest thing, you know, because then this whole idea, the spark, was, you know, that the seed was, you know, planted, that it would be really cool to do that. And then in March, our customer and our friend came to Poland, and he said, Chris, we have to make a demo van in USA that you will be able to show to the public, to the people in the USA. Let's cooperate on that, let's do it together. And I said yes. And then I told him that I think the best idea would be that we prefabricate the whole vehicle in Poland at our facility, put it on the shipping container and send it all the way to the States, and we will come in, assemble it, we will go to the shows and everything, etc. And that started to happen, you know, the whole process started. And then when I was preparing the shipping container, it turned out that if we take a 40-footer, which will cost us only $500 more, we will be able to take the Subi all the way to States. And then the decision came in March or April that the Subi is coming. So from the moment that our customer planted the seed to the moment that we are here in the States, it was just half a year from the moment when I thought that it is the greatest idea of all times to take the Subi to America. And we are really here actually, and we are doing that. So thanks for planting the seed, first of all. Second of all, thanks to our partner, to our business partner Robert, for making it all reality. Thank you to Andrzej for all the great shots, and our company.
And
thank you
for my
yes, you can follow him, he's a great photographer. He needs fans, he needs many fans. And he says hello to all of his existing fans.
Yeah.
And thanks to Paulinka and thanks to my whole team, because it is also their job that we are here. Thanks to everyone who was on our way, doing so many nice things to us. I mean, helping us out, showing us places. So it means thank you, CJ, because you've shown us like the coolest places as well. So thanks to every single person who came and he talked with us about that vehicle and about our story. Thanks to Hot Wheels judges, because you were awesome. Thanks to the guys who came at the Hot Wheels, J-Rad and the OVR Mag editor. I mean, how cool it is. We are here. I would never imagine in my life that we will be doing that. So this is the coolest thing on the planet, to have my own car shipped all the way from Poland and having a photograph here. Stop, czekaj. Cofnij trochę. Cofnij, bo zamazałeś. Znaczy... Do tyłu, bo stoisz na znaku. Ah. Oh, Polish people. So we are also from Poland.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
We got a lot of Polish stuff.
Yeah. Czekaj. Andrzej, jak Ci się podoba?
Dla mnie bomba. Będę tutaj dzisiaj nocować.
So, once every trip there has to be one spot next to the main road. So we asked the lady if she knows if there is any camp spot here, and she said that it's on the other side of the road. So we will sleep here. We will sleep just in front of abandoned church. And one more thing that I have to say, Andrzej, please hold the camera. One more thing I have to say. You know that you can get that shirt, right? If you didn't already, because you've seen that reel on the Instagram. So I tell you that it is also in the Instagram. But anyways, for any person who didn't get the shirt, there's another chance of winning that thing, of winning that keychain, because like I just posted on the Instagram as well, and today is 27th or 28th of November, so it might be that you watch this movie in, I don't know, March maybe. So for whoever wants to win one thing from here, you can win that. And how you can do that? You have to share that movie, subscribe our channel, leave our like, and comment that you shared it. Comment whatever you think. You can even comment that I'm fat, I don't care. Just comment it and you will get that keychain from Roy's Hotel Cafe from here, from middle of the desert in Nevada, Mojave Desert, yeah, whatever. And now we go to party. Well, we will have some drinks. Ta-da. Let's do all of them. Let's do all of them. Let's light up the Royce Motel.
5, 6, look at that, they're all. Alright.
Alright.
When was this like?
Hi, that was number one.
First round.
Can we make a photo with the camera of the lighting stuff there?
You can take a picture.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video as long as it's lighted, you know?
Okay.
Take time, take chance. Unwind, make plans on me. Come fly, come land on me. Go do, go dance. Take time, take chance. Unwind, make plans on me. Come fly, come land on me. Go do, go dance. Want me? Take time, take chance. Unwind, make plans on me. Come fly, come land on me. Go do, go dance. Want me? Take time, take chance. Unwind, make plans on me. Come fly, make land on me.